Alright guys, we are now in the diamond area of Balibago Inside Diamond Division, and we're going to take a little stroll around here, show you around, and give you an idea of what's going on in here. There's a lot of bars, restaurants, pubs, music clubs. And as we get down the street here, I'll show you. So let's go. Yeah. So here we have Balibago. Down there you see the casino. And a few other things. So this is the main area for this region. This is where it happens. All right, so we have our friends Berto and Hazel with us today. And we're just taking a stroll, enjoying the day. Beautiful weather, nice sunshine. So we're just going to enjoy the day. We just had lunch. And way down there in the horizon you have the Robinson Mall. Across the street you have a Pure Gold, one of the larger grocery chains here in Philippines. I would say, if not the largest, I'm not sure. They're lagging behind here, our friends, a little bit. They're coming behind us. But anyway, let's move on. So we have arrived at the far, I would say, south end of the diamond area, and I'm going to show you around here. This is the place where there's more nightlife than there's not a whole lot of people around here today. Across the street is one of the more famous places. It's called Wishing Well, right? So it's called the Wishing Well, and it's a music with open air seating. Pretty nice place. A lot of stuff is happening there at nighttime. This area also have one of my favorite places that we go to once in a while, and it is up here on the second floor, and it's the Street Corner Blues Bar. They have their gates closed right now, but it's up on the corner there at the Harrison building. If you are interested in good music, some guys in their 50s and 60s, and they're coming in here. They're meeting up 6 days a week, except for Sundays, and they play all kinds of music, blues, jazz, rock, anything you can imagine. And Manny is one of the guitarists there, and he's the leader of the band. It's really good, and I'm going to insert a little bit of what's going on there in the video here, coming up right now.
Say hi, Shell.
Hi, everybody.
Janice, hey, hello.
You're aware. You're aware. I can't use that footage, right?
Why not?
Because
It goes straight, not
it's vertical photography.
yeah.
Okay.
When you film for television screen, you turn your phone a quarter turn. Otherwise, you won't. You know, you get the.
So, say again, here in Balibago. Say hello, Shell.
Hello.
Say hello, Janice.
Right.
Say hello, Hazel. All right. Now we can use this footage.
Yeah, that one's good.
That we can use now. Hey, it's hard to blog, guys. Our cell phones are going off every 2 minutes. What's going on today? All right, so tapas. And underneath the blue spar, by the way, you have um, a Korean restaurant. Been eating here a few times, and they have also really decent good food.
Especially their kimchi.
The kimchi is good, and if you like that kind of stuff, this is definitely a place to come to. So. So across the street here, I believe also you have another music lounge, Fantas 3K, and it is down right across the street. You probably see the sign over there. So this is the uh, place where everybody meet up at night and have some fun.
Make sure he gets it before tomorrow.
What is that, green mango? Is that mango? Green mango? Ah, see, okay. All right. Up this street you have several bars as well. That's like off the main walking street. And I'm not sure, but I think there's a KTV, karaoke, television places down here as well. Many places serving, of course, beer and wine and other things. Up this street you have several bars as well. That's like off the main walking street. And I'm not sure, but I think there's a KTV, karaoke, television places down here as well. Many places serving, of course, beer and wine and other things.
siya yung pinasok dyan. Hindi, doon sa kabila.
Many of these places, like this one here, Rock Garden, they have open outdoor seating and a little bit of indoor seating. But that's very common here. It's an open outdoor seating, non-air conditioned, but sometimes they have fans in there, and it's nice atmosphere in a lot of these places at nighttime. Yeah, it's hot today. Velvet Music and Cocktail Lounge.
Got a sundoor.
Yeah.
Kaya kami pag mainit, nag-white din kasi masyado na.
Mallorca Food Hub and Grill. And Mallorca is a KTV. That's karaoke television bar, right?
Yeah. And this one, every night, a lot of people.
The Jihab Bistro. It's another restaurant down here. A lot of times, you know, foreigners don't get down here. But there's outside Walking Street, there's a lot of more fun places to go and see. And up here you apparently have a pool club or something, hydro pool club.
Yeah.
And then you have the coffee arcade or whatever it's called.
Look.
What? Is she tired walking or something? Now she wants to have a ride.
Sa kanya, hindi niya ako makakarga ng ganyan. Mamamatay
Yeah.
siya. I'm fine now.
You're fine now? You didn't think you could? You're not that heavy. I used to be able to go with my 3 kids.
And here is the street that leads into the main entrance of the Diamond. I believe the security gate is right down the street. Are we going to go there? Yeah. All right. Wife says, let's go inside. Yeah, we're getting into the residential area if we walk back in here. And you walk down here looking for a place to rent. When you get here, find a real estate agent and they can probably guide you to a place inside this area, which is really good, centrally located, close to everything. You know, we have Walking Street within 10-minute walking distance, and that kind of thing, whatever you want to do.
Careful of the car coming, my friend.
Nope. I guess we can move to the sidewalk here, right? What? Where do you want to go, hon? Where do you want to go? I guess you have another bar, restaurant here, function hall.
Yeah.
It's more like a function hall, I guess, for the residents,
There's
maybe.
a diamond. That one is a diamond restaurant also.
Oh yeah, there you go. Across the street on the other side. Up here in this building, yeah, if you have animals, veterinary clinic, they seem to be open. And we better let these cars pass us. And inside this area, I think you walk down a couple of streets here, you have the park, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever been in this area before?
Yeah, I've been inside here. I walked all this before.
Right? Because you go down, I think, here, then you have the park. And,
It's quite residential. It's some nice houses.
right.
Daming bunga na magdao.
And the typical sari store is over here. And here's a house that has seen its better days, I guess. Whatever happened to it, I don't know. Looks like there could be some lots available in here too.
It's a nice big house here in the corner.
Yeah. Some space for rent. You need to rent something. It's Umberto's phone beeping. Yeah. Okay, so this is this where the park is if you walk in here? Park area? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. So let's walk in here and just take a quick shot at it. This is mango. It's falling leaves here today. It's a lot of leaves on the ground. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so here's the park. Kids can play. I think they have a basketball court down here. Yeah, it's probably my phone beeping in there.
Really?
Recycled Red Horse is making recycled Red Horse.
It looks so.
Recycled Red Horse makes the leaf fall off.
There you go.
For those of you who don't know, Red Horse is a beer here where you have some of the stronger beers there in Philippines, and it's a very famous beer.